As Muslims all over the world observe the holy month of Ramadan, marked by fasting, prayers, and spiritual growth, members of the Ijebu Ode Club have organized the 2026 Ramadan lecture with the theme Imperatives on Social Clubs to Psychosocial and Economic Development of the Human Race, was delivered by Alhaji Imam Hussein Kehinde Oredikpe, who stressed the need for Muslims to assist the needy and less privileged, especially during the Ramadan season. Ifeoluwa Ashaolu files in the report.
The 2026 annual Ramadan lecture, organized by the Ijebu Ode Club, brought together Muslim faithful to reflect on the virtues of charity during the month of Ramadan. Delivering a lecture on the theme Imperative of Social Clubs to Psychosocial and Economic Development, Alhaji Imam Hussein Kehinde Oredikpe emphasized that Ramadan calls for moral discipline, adding that the wayward lifestyle negates the essence of the fasting period. Imam Oredikpe urged Muslims to prioritize giving by supporting and empowering the less privileged. Other Islamic scholars and dignitaries in attendance, including the president of the Ijebu Ode Club, Korede Safruddin, underscored the importance of the lecture in promoting spiritual growth, social cohesion, and the overall well-being of the Muslim community.
We have to learn a lot. For example, like what you were told today, that a club is not only for drinking and wine. So we are made to understand that it is good to help each other. So when that thing now, we imbibe it now here, definitely we see people now, when they now see benefits of those members that are members of the club, you will see them rushing in that place is rewarding.
An opportunity for us to share ideas about humanness, about humanity. Okay, it's not just about coming to club to relax. It's also about remembering God, remembering our families, and the people in the community.
The only thing we just implore everyone to do is, even after the fasting, the good things we've been doing, we should continue. It has to be a continuity. So we have to be fair to ourselves, do good to ourselves, help ourselves, and seek forgiveness from the Almighty Allah.
Well, the Muslims, they started well. They should continue their giving. You see, some Muslims, they will stop drinking beer, they will stop fornicating. But because this time is a Ramadan season, they can continue all the good behavior they are portraying now.
The program was concluded with special prayers for peace and stability in Ijebu land, Ogun State, and Nigeria. In Ijebu Ode, Ifeoluwa Ashaolu, NTA News.